Hi, I'm Christine, the Afrominimalist, and I like to inspire people to live with less. As someone who likes to live with less, I like to gift with intention. That means making sure that the people who I'm gifting to receive things that they need, use, and love. The intention is the most important part of the puzzle for me. As the Afro-minimalist, of course, the theme of my gift guide is minimalism, right? And that means, of course, gifting with intention and care, and also thinking about sustainable gifts. So I have a few surprises in store. First up are these Just Fit storage containers. I love these so much. They are modular, they roll, they're stackable, they come in so many different shapes and sizes, and they're great for those little nooks and crannies that sometimes the more generic bins can't fit into. Also great for home organization are these snap and separate reusable bags. These are so great. They're made out of recyclable paper, and as you can see, they're really big. And they can snap together for a variety of needs, anything from laundry to organizing your kids' toys. They're great, and I love gifting these. The most memorable gift that I ever received was actually from a former colleague. It came in the form of an email letting me know that a cow had been donated to a village in Africa in my honor on behalf of Heifer International, which is a wonderful organization. I learned so much about how the cow would benefit not only the family that it was gifted to, but also the entire village, and it was the most memorable gift. Next, I want to share a few fun gifts for the coffee lovers in your life. And of course, we're gifting with intention, so these gifts are sustainable. First up is this coffee sock. And if you have someone in your life who likes to use little, coffee contraptions like this Chemex here, these are great. These cotton filters fit just like that, and they are reusable for 9 months up to a year. And then when the recipient is done with them, they are biodegradable. So love coffee socks. Also for the coffee lovers in your life is this wonderful coffee fin filter. It's great for pour over coffee for one, and they're just great, just perfect little contraptions for travel, for camping, and they just brew wonderful coffee, again, sustainably because there is no paper filter. Another way to gift with intention is to think about environmentally friendly gifts. Disposable lighters fill up our landfills, and this is a perfect solution. This USB lighter is rechargeable and so easy to use. It's also safe if you have children at home because there's this nifty little feature there. And then you press this button. Voila! These rechargeable lighters are one of my favorite gifts to give. As you can see, they're the perfect size to be a stocking stuffer, and you get up to 300 uses per charge. So I'm pretty sure I've been regifted presents, and I'm actually okay with that, right? I am a big fan of paying it forward. If something does not work for you, find a way to regift it and give it to someone who will. Some of my favorite gifts to give are those that disappear. Of course, they're environmentally friendly and sustainable, but they're usually also something that the recipient really, really loves. For example, these bite-sized cupcakes, baked by Melissa, are perfect disappearing gifts. Other disappearing gifts can include soap, incense. Just think of anything that won't stick around for long. So the best gift that I've ever given was also a charitable gift, and it was to my daughter. I decided to throw a charity carnival in our backyard. And all of her friends, all they had to do was bring one canned good for admission to the carnival. And we ended up having just like bags and bags and bags of groceries to donate to our local food pantry. And it was just such a memorable gift for her. And it's the only birthday party she actually remembers. So I think it's definitely the most memorable gift that I've ever given. When it comes to holiday gifts for young children, it's also important to be intentional. One of the best ways to do that is to reach out to the parents or caregivers and ask, what are some things that they might need for the young ones in their life? I love this wooden toy playset by Milton and Goose. These pieces are beautifully handcrafted and made with non-toxic materials that are wonderful for children to enjoy for years and years to come. Aren't they adorable? So I like to use sustainable packaging, right? For example, if I'm gifting a friend a bar of soap, I may wrap it in a silk scarf, right? There are just so many fun, creative ways that you can use sustainable packaging. A little bit of twine always works well. Books are also wonderful gifts for people of all ages. Of course, I'm going to recommend my book, The Afrominimalist Guide to Living with Less. Visit your favorite indie bookstore for recommendations, curated book baskets, and gift cards for the readers in your life. Don't be afraid to gift plants to your loved ones, even those folks who claim they don't have a green thumb. There are so many easy to care for plants that will brighten their day and their homes, such as the snake plant, which can actually grow in the dark. And lastly, some of my favorite things to gift are those that are charitable. These are gifts that you're either paying it forward with by your donations or by donating to a cause or mission that the recipient believes in. Think about ways that you can benefit not only the recipient, but also the community and issues and causes that they care about. These are just some of my favorite gifts from the Afrominimalist Holiday Gift Guide, but remember, the key is always to gift with intention. Don't be afraid to think about creative ways that you can develop your own gift guide for those people that you love and care about the most. Thanks for tuning in. One of my favorite holiday songs is I'll Be Home for Christmas. It just evokes every Christmas memory for me, and I just love that song. It's beautiful.